Dear students, today in this class we will discuss about some applications problems on exercise 3.2. This is class for 8th standard. Here we have first question. If you subtract a half from a number and multiply the result by half, you get 1 by 8. What is that number? See, let the number be x. We don't know from a number. Is it right? Solution. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. According to the question, see, according to the question, if you subtract half from a number, what is the number? X. I will subtract half from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2. For this, multiply by half, okay, result by 1 by 2. You get 1 by 8. You get, which is equal to, that is 1 by 2. This is very important. How to write this statement. Okay. Understand? 1 by 2. See, it can be write as x minus 2. See, we have to find the number. We need to find what is the number. We need to find what is the number. See, x minus 1 by 2 write as it is equal to 1 by 8 as it is into 1 by 2 is there. Okay, change the numerator and denominator, that is 2 by 1. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. X minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 4. X is equal to 1 by 4. This minus 1 by 2 transfers to RHS. It will be plus 1 by 2. It will be plus 1 by 2. LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. 4 1s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 1 1s are 1 plus 1 2s are 2. Okay. 1 2s are 2. X is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3 by 4. This is the answer. What is that number? Hence, the required number is 3 by 4. Hence, the required number is 3 by 4. This is the answer. Dear students, now let us discuss about second main. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? We need to find length and breadth both of the rectangular swimming pool. Is it? I will draw a rectangular pool, swimming pool. Okay. I will mention the names. A, B, C, D is a rectangular park. Is a rectangular park. Is a rectangular park. See, perimeter is equal to 154. Perimeter is equal to 154 meter. This is length and this is breadth. See, in a rectangular, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Okay. See, what is telling? Perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. We have taken. Length is, the length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. That is 2b plus 2. 2 meter more than twice its breadth. That is length. Pool is 154 meter. Length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. This is very important. So we need to find length and breadth of a rectangle. Okay, rectangular swimming pool. Let us see solution. Let the breadth of the pool. Let the breadth of the pool B, I will take B meter. I will take here B meter. Then length of the pool B, see length of the pool B 2B plus 2 meter. Is it right? Okay, 2 meter. Okay, we know that what is the perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus P units. Correct? L plus B units. 2 into length is equal to, put this value 2B plus 2, 2B plus 2 plus breadth is equal to B. Breadth is equal to B, because I have taken, let the breadth of the pool be B meter I have taken. Got it? Okay, B meter. And perimeter of a rectangle is equal to how much I has given? 154 meter. 154. Okay, see 154 divided by, take this 2 in the denominator place, is equal to 2B plus 1B, that is 3B plus 2. Okay, and remaining 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 7s are 14, 77 remained. 77 is equal to 3B plus 2. Okay, 77 plus 2 transport to LHS. 77 minus 2 is equal to 3B. 77 minus 2, which is equal to 75, is equal to 3B. Okay, therefore 75 divided by 3, 75 divided by 3 is equal to B. Okay, cancel. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Therefore breadth is equal to how much? 25 meter. Breadth is equal to 25 meter. Now we need to find a length. Got it? Okay, now length is equal to length of the pool is equal to 2, what is that? 2B plus 2. 2B plus 2, that is 2 into B is equal to 25. B is equal to 25 plus 2. 25 to is how much? 50 plus 2 is equal to 52. See, breadth is equal to 25 meter and length is equal to 52. Hence, the length of the pool is 52 meter and breadth is 25 meter. Hence, the length of the pool is 52 meter and breadth of the pool is how much meter? 25 meter. 25 meter, and this is the answer. Okay, dear students, here third question we have. See, the base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 whole 2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of the either of the remaining equal sides? Either of the remaining equal sides. Okay, now let us discuss about this. I will draw a rough diagram. Okay, two sides are equal in an isosceles triangle ABC. Okay, the base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. 4 by 3 centimeter. Perimeter of triangle is 4 whole 2 by 15. 4 whole 2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of the either of the remaining equal sides? That is, take it as x and take it as x. Okay, solution. Let each of equal sides of an isosceles triangle be x centimeter. I have taken here x centimeter, correct? Okay, be x centimeter. See, perimeter of a triangle which is equal to sum of all three sides. Okay, perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of all the three sides. Perimeter of a triangle is equal to how much he has given? 4 whole 2 by 15. 4 whole 2 by 15. 4 whole 2 by 15 is equal to sum of all three sides. AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, 15 4 ja 60, 60 plus 2 62. 62 by 15 is equal to AB is equal to x, BC is equal to 4 by 3 centimeter plus CA is equal to x. Okay, this one 62 by 15 is equal to x plus 1x 2x. 2x plus 4 by 3. Okay, 62 by 15 minus this plus 4 by 3, take to LHS, it will be minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3 is equal to 2x as it is. Okay, what is the LCM of 15 and 3? 15 only. Okay, 3 5s are 15, 15 1s are 15, 62 1s are 62 minus 4 5s are 20 is equal to 2x. Okay, next 62 minus 20 which is equal to 42 divided by 15. Here 2 is there, take in the denominator place, is equal to x. Cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Okay, see here, what came here? 21 by 15. X is equal to 21 by 15. See, 3 7 ja 21, 3 5 ja 15. 3 7 ja 21, 3 5 ja 15 is equal to 7 by 4. We can write in decimal form. How? Sorry, we can write in mixed fraction. 7 divided by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 2. 1 whole 2 by 5 centimeter. X is equal to 1 whole 2 by 5 centimeter. See, this is the answer. Hence, each equal sides of an isosceles triangle is 1 whole 2 by 5 centimeter. Okay, this is the answer. Dear students, now let us discuss about fourth question. Sum of two number is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. Very easy. Sum of two numbers. What is the first number? X you can take. Second number, see second number is 1 exceeds the other by 15. X plus 15 you can take. Find the numbers after adding those, because here is a sum of two numbers. Okay. See, sum of two numbers given. Sum of two numbers is 95. Let the first number be x. Let the first number be x. Then other number. Then another number be x plus 15. Because one number exceeds the other by 15. That's why. Okay. According to the question, sum of two numbers, is it? Sum of two numbers, sum. X first number, second number is x plus 15, which is equal to 95. Okay, sum of two numbers which is equal to 95. We have to take like this statement. Okay, now x plus 15 is equal to 95. How many x are there? 2x. 2x plus 15 is equal to 95. 2x is equal to 95 plus 15 transport to RHS, it will be minus 15. It will be minus 15. 2x is equal to 5 minus 5, 0, 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay. 2x, not to 2x. X is equal to 80 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 40s are 80. X is equal to 40. First number is 40. Then second number is. So the first number is 40. Okay. And another number. What is another number? X plus 15. X plus 15. X is equal to, that is 40 plus 15, which is equal to 55. This is the answer. Is it right? Okay. Hence the two numbers are, hence the two numbers are 40 and 55. 40 and 55. Okay. This is the answer. Okay, dear students, now let us discuss about fifth question. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? Very easy. Two numbers are in the ratio. What is that? 5:3 as given. Okay, let the number be first 5x and 3x. Differ by 18. What is the meaning of differ? We need to subtract. Correct? Okay. Differ means what? Subtract. See, 5x minus 3x, which is equal to 18. That is, they differ by 18. What are the numbers? We need to find what are those numbers. Okay. Solution. Let the two numbers be, let the two numbers be 5x and 3x, correct? 5x and 3x. According to question, according to question, 5x minus 3x, which is equal to 18. 5x minus 3x means 2x. 2x is equal to 18. We have to subtract 3x from 5x. Okay. X is equal to 18 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 nines are. Therefore, we got first number. X is equal to 9. X is equal to 9. Hence, the first number is 5x. 5 into 9 is equal to 45. And second number we need to find. Is it right? Second number is 3x. 3 into 9. 3 9s are 27. Okay. This is the answer. In the place of x, put the value 9. In the place of x, put the value 9. Okay. This is 5 9s are 45. This is 3 9s are 27. See, what are those numbers? 45 and 27. Those are numbers. Okay, dear students, now we have to discuss about 6th question. 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? See, first we need to know, let the 3 consecutive integers be x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Those are 3 consecutive integers. Solution. Let the 3 consecutive integers be x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Okay, according to question, you do what are these integers as told, is it? According to question, according to the question, 3 consecutive integers add means what? Addition. Okay, according to the question, x plus 1 plus x plus 2, okay, is equal to 51. Okay, x plus 1, remove the common bracket. Okay, x plus 2 is equal to 51. How many x are there? 1 2 3. 3x plus 1 plus 2 3 is equal to 51. 3x is equal to 51 plus 3 is a transport to RHS. It will be minus 3. 3x is equal to 51 minus 3, which is equal to 48. Correct now? 48, 49, 50, 51. 48. X is equal to 48 divided by 3. Cancel. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 6 are 18. Therefore, x is equal to 16. We got first number. Correct? We got first number. X is equal to 16. Hence, first integer. Hence, first integer is 16. First integer is 16. And second integer x plus 1. Second integer is x plus 1. X is equal to 16. 16 plus 1 is equal to 17. Next, third integer. Third integer x plus 2. X is equal to what? 16. 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. Okay. This is the answer. Got it? See, first integer is 16, second integer is 17, and third integer is 18. Okay? Those are the three consecutive integers. See, if we add those numbers, we get adding up to 51.